Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to cook the perfect rice. Have you ever experienced it that your rice is too dry, too lumpy or burnt? Well, this recipe never fails. It gives you perfect rice every single time. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 1 measurement of rice, 2 measurements of water, I will be using a cup, and 5 milliliters salt. Rinse the loose starch off of the rice until the water is clear. You can see the water is cloudy. It takes about 3 to 4 rinses for the water to be clear. Put the rice in the pot with a tight fitting lid. Add the salt and water. Bring to a boil. Put on the lid and turn down the heat. Let it boil for 10 minutes. It is important not to lift the lid or peek inside. This is the absorption method. Turn off the heat and let it stand for 10 to 20 minutes. You still may not lift the lid to peek inside. Your rice is ready to enjoy. There is no excess water. It's not dry or burnt or lumpy. Now you don't have to scrub your burnt pots anymore. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.